New terms for input fractions from 2018. Luckily, the RepTool input fractions were already structured according to the grouping of WE collection and treatment categories used by the WE systems in daily practice since the beginning. Therefore, we had only slightly to adapt the names of the main input fractions according to the WE Directive 2012 Annex 3 for reports on treatment results from 2018. The main difference is the change for the input category cooling appliances to the term temperature exchange equipment. Other details on the main input fractions are the change from large and small appliances to large and small equipment. The input fraction for screens and monitors may include appliances containing screens. The subgrouping of the main input fractions were kept very much the same, but slimmed to the estimated possible uses. See here, for example, photovoltaic panels. You may use these subgroups mainly for batches on definite kinds of appliances or e.g. professional appliances delivered for treatment. And we had to insert the subgroup of appliances with heating function under temperature exchange equipment, even if it is not the case in daily routine in many cases. If you still collect e.g. oil radiators with large equipment, please give a remark on this under the input fraction of large equipment, e.g. to be able to trace where oil from oil radiators is separated and reported. In quite some cases, we slimmed the subgrouping. One issue you should take care on is that the Annex 3 of the WE Directive foresees 6 WE categories, also foreseeing a group of small IT&T equipment. Based on our experiences, this WE category is not collected and treated separately in many cases. Therefore, we kept the summary input fraction of small equipment as first choice main input fraction. If your WE system really offers a differentiation of collection, you may choose the subgroups of small equipment excluding small IT&T equipment and small IT&T equipment separately. If you still want to report based on the old 10 WE categories, they are provided at the end of the list of choices with the old subgroupings. Now to the question of application. Reports set to done will never be changed at all. Also, the name for the input fraction will not be changed. If you open an existing report with an old name for the input fraction, you have to check and choose the new input fraction at the Edit Report page. The RepTool IT would have been able to replace automatically, but we decided to give you the option to check and differentiate, especially e.g. temperature exchange equipment, for choosing cooling and freezing appliances in case, or for the correct choice of screens, including other appliances or the screens and monitors separately, or to do the correct choice of small equipment, including or excluding IT&T equipment. If you copy a report with an old name for the input fraction, see our new shortcut option, the new report will get the new name for the input fraction automatically. In case you will have to adapt.